Okay, so let's continue yung pag-solve natin sa problem sets ng book ni Thurman Peterson regarding trigonometric identities. So again, recall natin, na-discuss natin yung double angle, which is hindi mo naman na kailangan kabisaduhin as long as alam mo yung sum and difference. So it applies to all, yung double angle for sine, cosine, and tangent. So basically, equal angles lang yan dito sa sum and difference. So, kahit yan lang kabisaduhin mo, kung papalabas mo yung tatlong yan. And then, yun nga, ginamitan natin ng magic hexagon. Okay, so na-discuss natin yung Pythagorean identities. So, these three are the Pythagorean identities. So, dadagdagan natin yan. Okay, Pythagorean identities. Okay, dadagdagan natin yan sa problem na to. So, yung sunod naman, still using the magic hexagon. Okay? So, ayan, 2 cotangent x over 1 plus cotangent squared x. So, ayan. So, may dalawa tayong idadagdag dito. What we call the ratio or quotient identities. Quotient identities. And yung reciprocal identities. Yan yung madadagdag natin dyan. Reciprocal identities. Okay? Or ibahin ko sana kulay, no? Can I change that? Ibahin ko kulay. Para Para, yan yung gamitin ko rin na yung lines. Okay, ulitin ko quotient muna. Quotient identities. So, paano yan? Identities. So, paano yan? Mag-work. So, ganito naman siya. Sine, divide by cosine, equals tangent. Ganon. Sine theta, sine x na lang, divided by cosine x is equal to tangent x. And then, pag sinundan mo yan, ayan, yung ganyang format, yung magkasunod, divide mo sa before niya, ayan, sine divided by cosine is equal to tangent. So, and conversely, pagbaliktad naman, cosine divided by sine is cotangent naman. Pwede rin yun. Like cosine divided by sine is cotangent. Which is, yun na nga rin yung reciprocal identities. So, medyo kakahawig lang din sila. So, ilapit ko na lang yung color. So, reciprocal identities. Ayan. So, again, ang reciprocal ng tangent, di ba, ang sabi, sin x over cosine x is tangent. So, sulat ko yung pangalawa, cosine x over sin x is, ulit yun? Cosine x divided by sin x is just cotangent. Cotangent x. So, paano napapansin mo, sine over cosine? Yung sunod ay cosine over sine. So, which gives us tangent is just the reciprocal of cotangent and converse and vice versa. So, ayan, tangent x is just 1 over cot x. Pero dapat cot x muna inuna ko. Para mas okay lang. Cotangent x is just reciprocal ng tangent x. Ayun, kailangan na, yan na yung magagamit natin din. Okay, tangent x, tan x, then simply, and also, conversely, and tan x is 1 over cot x. Dagdag ko na lang din. Tangent x is equal to 1 over cot x. Ayun. Then, kapag sinunod mo yung pattern na yun, sige, dagdag tayo isa pa. This one, yung tan divided by sine is secant. Diba? Tignan natin. Tan divided by sine, pero di naman na kasi, ano yun, di na yun yung basic. Pero pakita lang din natin. Di ba? Para makita na it follows that trend. So, tan divided by sine is secant. Patunayan natin. Tan x divided by sine x. Okay? We all know that ang tangent ay sine over cosine. Ibaba ko na lang sine x. So, agree naman na siguro. Ang tangent is sine over cosine. So, ibababa ko na agad si cosine, no? Cosine x then sine x. Ayan. Tanggal si sine x. So, matitira sa atin ay 1 over cosine x, which is just nothing but secant x. So, paano naman napalabas to pag babalik? Pag titignan natin yung magic hexagon. Medyo magulo na pala siya, no? Basta tandaan nyo na lang na ganun siya. Ayan, isa lang. Isa na lang ilagay ko. So, for reciprocal identities, ito naman ang gagawin natin. So, ito, sine, ito, equals 1 over cosecant. Ang ganun. Cosine equals 1 over cosecant. And then, tangent is 1 over cotangent. Ganun. Ang reciprocal, tapat-tapat naman yan. Okay, lagyan ko ng isang sample. Ayan, sine is 1 over cosecant. Ilalagay natin. So, yung mako na lang. Although, hindi naman pala lahat ng ano, no? Sige. So, cosecant, CSC pala yun, is 1 over sine x. Kalimutan ko yung x. Cosine x is 1 over sine x. Then, ano pa yung isa? Cosecant. Secant rather. Secant is 1 over cosine of x. So, ayun. Ganyan lang siya dyan. Sine is 1. Sine equals 1 over cosecant. Then, tangent is 1 over cotangent. Cosine is 1 over secant. Then, parehas din, pagbaliktad. Cosecant is 1 over sine. And secant is 1 over cosine. And cotangent is 1 over tangent. So, sige, sulat ko lahat. Para ma-recall yan. So, sine x is just 1 over cosecant x. And then, cosine x is equal to 1 over secant x. So, ayan, ready na. Ready na, no? Sobra-sobra na nga yun eh. Kailangan lang natin ay cotangent x. So, ang cotangent, alam natin that is cosine over sine. Kasi, ang technique dito sa nakatag dito, ano to? Trigonometric identities is dapat express mo lahat in terms of sine and cosine lang. Ganyan yun. Kasi sine and cosine lang naman yung basic talaga dyan eh. Kasi cotangent ratio, tangent, cotangent ratio, yun ang sine and cosine. So lahat yan sila may express mo in terms of ratio ng sine and cosine. So for cotangent, sige, isulat ko na lang muna siya as cosine x over sine x. Then yung baba, 1 over cotangent squared x. Oh, alam na yun, di ba? 1 plus cotangent squared x. So that is cosecant. Gagamitin lang pala natin yung Pythagorean identity. Basta pag nakakita kayo ng square, sum of two squares, for difference of two squares, ayan, so most probably Pythagorean identity yan. Or minodify siya. So 1 plus cotangent squared x is cosecant. Okay, cosecant squared x. Tapos, ang cosecant express natin in terms of sine. Pero maganda, ibababa ko na yung sine, no? So, 2 cosine x. Bababa ko na si sine x. Then, ito ay gagawin kong 1 over sine x squared. Diba? Kasi cosecant squared x was 1 over sine. So, naka-square lang siya. Ayun, so cancel pala to, no? Yun, cancel. So, sine x, isa. Plus yung isang sine x. So, 1 over sine. So, ano mangyayari? Ano mangyayari? So that will be aangat si sine. Magiging 2, aangat si sine, sine x cos x. Oh, familiar to ah. Solve na natin to ah. Pag-double angle yan, sine 2x. Basta familiar ka na dyan. Na double angle identity yan. Yan, double angle formula. Yan. Sin 2x is twice ng sin x multiplied by cos x. And that's it for this problem. Ayan, hope you learned something. So ito, another identity pala to. Pag nakita kang 2 cotangent x over 1 plus cotangent squared x, that is just equivalent sa sin 2x. And that's it. Hope you learned something. Thank you.